Welcome everyone to the Best Options YouTube channel. In today's video, we are looking at the top 5 best treadmills for a home that you can buy this year. First, we will be looking at some of the best affordable treadmills that are available, then to the absolute top best one money you can buy. As always, you can find all the links to the products that are mentioned in this video, right in the description and in the pinned comment down below. Without any more delay, let's get started. In number 5, we recommend you the Sunny Health SFT 4400, with device holder, shock absorption and incline. This is our pick for the best budget treadmill for home use. Despite being a low-priced fitness machine, SFT 4400 has relatively good construction. This Sunny treadmill is small, foldable, and portable. Its unfolded dimensions are 62 inches long by 27 inches wide by 50 inches high. Its folded dimensions are 36 inches long by 25.5 inches wide by 58 inches high. This model is manufactured overseas, but customer service for US residents is provided out of California. The motor that runs this machine is a 2.20 peak horsepower motor that provides a reliable and noiseless operation that you can use to reach speeds from 0.5 to 9.0 miles per hour. This treadmill is rated for users who weigh up to 220 pounds, and the pounding of jogging or running can cause too much impact for this treadmill to handle. However, that doesn't mean you can't get a good workout in. This treadmill has a manual incline available, and you can go from 0% incline to 4.37% by moving the incline positioning feet. At this price, we are never going to see an advanced monitor. We usually find our fairly basic monitors, but the good thing about basic monitors is that they are easy to use and don't require much time to get to know all of the features. The Sunny Health SFT 4400 monitor provides you with a large, easy-to-read LCD so you can keep track of all your workout stats. The best feature of this monitor is that it boasts 9 workout programs. Workout programs are great for giving you an extra challenge for your cardio workouts. They range from easy to hard, and as your fitness improves, you can work your way through them. The monitor also tracks time, pulse, speed, and calories. The pulse sensors are integrated into the handles. Some of the pros of this product include folds for storage, soft drop system, 3 levels of incline, 9 workout programs, shock absorption system, built-in heart rate sensors, water bottle holders and media ledge. However, a con for this product, like most low-budget treadmills, this Sunny Fitness and Health treadmill model has a narrow and rather short track of dimensions that measure 15.75 inches wide by 49 inches long, which may create a problem for the tall user. Another thing I really like about this treadmill is that it includes the shock absorption system, which is usually a rubber belt that runs underneath the running belt, or some have 4 small springs instead of rubber. The shock absorption system is there to protect your knees from the impact of running, and is said to reduce the impact on your knees by a whopping 40%. The 4th treadmill on our list is the Echelon Stride, with a price of around $1,300. Our option for the best smart treadmill. The Echelon Stride is a treadmill with a modern sensibility. Not only does it have a large touchscreen display with Bluetooth, but this treadmill folds up automatically at the press of a button, after which you can wheel it out of the way into any corner of the room. It's not the most powerful treadmill you can find. It has a 1.75 chp motor, for example, but the machine manages a top speed of 12 miles per hour and has a maximum incline of 10%. Echelon has found fans in the market by hiring quality trainers and delivering solid training sessions that keep you going even when you're reaching exhaustion. Up against a wall, the unit will occupy a 10 by 24 inch footprint in your space. It can also tuck under your bed so long as you have about 10 or 11 inches of clearance to slide it under. Though small for a treadmill, the Stride is sturdy and doesn't rock from side to side when you run on it. It features a 55 by 20 inch running deck and supports users up to 300 pounds. The Stride has an 18.5 inch touchscreen on which you can view your calories burned, distance, incline, time, pace, pulse, speed, steps, and access quick speed and inclines controls. The quick speed buttons on the right side of the console let you set it at 1.8, 3.7, or 5.6 miles per hour with a single tap. The quick incline controls on the left side let you set it to levels 3, 6, or 9 with a tap. In addition to the on-screen quick controls, the Stride features up and down incline buttons on the left handlebar and up and down speed buttons on the right for more granular adjustments. The handlebars also feature built-in heart rate sensors. There are 2 water bottle holders, so you can have your water, phone, and small items like your AirPods case nearby when you work out. Some of the pros of this product: leaderboards and video-based interactive coaching keep you motivated. Great for people with limited space. Easy fold design. Engaging exercise programming. However, a con for this product, the incline is limited just to 10%. It's now a top contender as far as compact and stowable treadmills go, but it's way down the list as far as the general market in the $1,200-$2,000 treadmill segment goes. The third product on my list is the Horizon Fitness T101 treadmill series. My option for the best value treadmill. Horizon Fitness distributes low-cost treadmills and other home fitness equipment. Its entry-level T101 treadmill comes in at just $650, making it one of the best-selling models in the industry. It's an ideal treadmill for those who prefer walking or light to moderate workouts, and are looking for a machine with a compact, foldable design that can be stored easily. Some of its best features include an incline, a Bluetooth speaker system, 9 built-in workout programming options, and a respectable warranty. The Horizon T101 gives you 3 red LED windows allowing you to track calories, distance, heart rate, incline, speed, and time through the target workout LED indicators. For entertainment, its speakers allow you to play your tunes by plugging in your device to the accompanying audio jack or connecting to the T101 via Bluetooth. As for comfort, the T101's 3-zone variable response cushioning system is kind to your joints in both your knees and ankles. Moreover, its fan guarantees a longer workout by keeping you cool during even the most intense exercise. The T101 treadmill features a 2.5 chp motor, 20-inch by 55-inch running surface, pulse grip heart rate monitor, and 9 built-in workout programming options. It's also equipped with a feather-light folding system and a 3-zone variable response cushioning system. Some of the pros of this product include, can be folded and stored between workout sessions. Budget-friendly, with discounts and financing options. Equipped with Bluetooth speakers, a device holder, heart monitor, and 30 workout programs. However, a con for this product, not very many workout programs. The T101 has a respectable warranty for a machine in its price class, offering lifetime coverage on the frame and motor, and 1 year on parts and labor. Overall, this is a good deal for a treadmill with its price tag. The second product on our list is the Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill. This is our option for the best compact treadmill for home. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding treadmill with dual display is a 2.25 horsepower under-desk electric pad treadmill, featuring a Bluetooth speaker and a remote control that can be used as a walking or jogging machine for use at home or in the office. The treadmill does not require much assembly. This treadmill is outfitted with a Bluetooth speaker so you can connect to your phone wirelessly and listen to your favorite music and playlist while you work out. It also has a convenient phone holder so you can follow along with your favorite fitness apps while you walk, jog, or run, or make a quick phone call or field an email. Make sure that you store your remote control in a safe space because it's small and could easily get lost. You can't operate the machine without it. This machine has an LED display that shows your time, speed, distance, and calories so you can keep track of your stats while you work out. It is large and easy to read. Be aware that this machine is heavy. It weighs 74 pounds, and it can be difficult for you to move by yourself when it first arrives in the box. It's really cool that this treadmill is foldable, but it will not lay flat with the arms attached. This is a severe design flaw in my opinion. You have to completely remove the arms for them to lay flat and then reattach them when you'd like to utilize them again. It would be more cohesive if the whole thing could be folded flat with the arms attached. Some of the pros of this product include, easily foldable for compact, convenient storage. Whisper quiet operation is great for the office. Central console can either be raised or lowered depending on the environment. However, a con for this product, the running surface is basic and the incline can't be changed. This 2-in-1 treadmill can lay flat and function at slower walking speeds or with raised arms at higher walking, jogging, and running speeds. It features a powerful, quiet motor and a shock reduction system to protect your joints while you work out. And coming in the first place, we have the Soul Fitness F80 folding treadmill. Our pick for the best overall treadmill for home use. You can get it for around $2,000. Some of the Soul F80 stellar highlights include a roomy 22 by 60-inch running deck suitable for all the family, a commercial standard 3.5 horsepower motor that can support running as well as walking, and a power incline up to 15% to sculpt your lower body. For entertainment and workout stats tracking, you will have a 9-inch LCD display with 10 preset programs so you can diversify your training. There is also a built-in tablet holder to dock your device and Bluetooth connectivity for audio and stats tracking. Like to monitor your fitness progress? You can track your stats through the free Soul Fitness app and sync this workout data to your favorite fitness app like Fitbit, Record, or Apple Health. The F80 can support multiple users and store multiple results. There are two options for monitoring your heart rate on the F80, via touch sensors on the handlebars or with a wireless chest strap, which is included with the purchase. The chest strap connects to the display wirelessly and will get more accurate results than the handlebars. The F80 is built to last, with commercial-grade parts which help ensure the machine runs for many years and provides a comfortable ride. Its excellent shock absorption adds extra comfort, allowing you to enjoy running or walking on your machine daily. The F80 features Easy Assist hydraulic technology that practically folds and unfolds the treadmill for you after the user presses a release mechanism, no heavy lifting required. Other creature comforts include cooling fans, water bottle holders, and an accessory tray. Some of the pros of this product include high-quality parts, easy folding, low impact, syncs with mobile apps to share data. Many creatures comfort like a tablet holder, Bluetooth audio speakers, a USB charging port, and ample storage. However, a con for this product, limited workout variety. Its top-of-the-line cushioning system is designed to take the stress off your joints so that you can run pain-free. Its Cushion Flex Whisper deck minimizes joint impact up to 40% compared to road running, allowing you to keep your workout routine consistent, and also helps to minimize training injuries.